Yo, what's up my friends? This is Adam back with Adam Reviews FX, and today I want to talk to you about the 5 things that I wish that I knew when I started trading Forex. And if you stay all the way to the end of this video, I'm going to give you a secret strategy that I'm using that's worked the best for me out of anything else that I have tried in this industry. It's going to be almost a cheat code for you to start having success in Forex. Okay, so the first thing about trading that I wish that I knew when I started was that trading is not easy. Okay, you get a lot of people when you're getting into this industry that are trying to get money from you or trying to show you things that may not actually work because there is an incentive. This is a big industry, okay? Forex is one of the largest industries in the world. So there's a lot of people out there trying to get you into the industry and will promise you that this industry is easy, that you're not gonna have any problems trading, it's not gonna be hard. All you gotta do is follow their strategy. All you gotta do is buy their signals. All you gotta do is buy their indicator. And overnight, you will be successful. Okay, so that is not going to happen. Trading takes time. You're not gonna just hop in. You may get lucky with some trades in the beginning, but you're not gonna be able to hop in from the beginning with no skills, no Forex training, and actually being able to come in and make money consistently. Don't believe people that tell you trading is easy, because they're just like in a lot of other industries. This industry is a roller coaster, okay? So Forex is a roller coaster. You're gonna have good days and you're gonna have bad days, but it's not easy. So don't think that it's easy. Don't come in with a bunch of money going, oh yeah, this guy told me it's gonna be easy. I'm gonna make all this money. I'm just gonna put all this money in and I'm gonna buy, trade with all these lots, and then boom, your account's blown and there's nothing that you can do about it. So the second thing that I wish that I knew about Forex when I got in the industry is that you can actually make money and be profitable without having a winning percentage over 50%. So you don't actually have to win more trades than you lose to make money in this industry. It's all about your risk to reward ratio. Now, I like to go, 1 to 3 risk reward, 1 to 5, 1 to 10. I like to take trades that there's a small amount of risk, but a high payoff if it wins. Now, I may not get 50% win percentage, and it may not look good on paper like you got win after win after win, because honestly, it's pretty easy to get 1-to-1 risk to reward wins, because it only needs to go just as far as your risk is to win the trade, and then you can be like, oh, I won all these trades, but you didn't really make that much money. It's actually better if you have a higher risk to reward ratio and then you win a smaller amount of trades. So you can actually be profitable with a win percentage that is lower than 50%, which would mean that you lose more trades than you win. But you can actually be profitable doing this as long as you know what you're doing. And I'll explain that a little bit more. If you haven't checked out the course at kangarooguide.com, I have a completely free course that you can check out where I explain some more about this. The third thing that I wish that I knew when I got into Forex that I know now is I shouldn't have been paying for signals and training, okay? There is so much free Forex training that you can find on YouTube, so many free guides, so many books that you can buy, but you don't need to pay someone for training. Now, when I got into this industry, when I first heard about it, it was through iMarkets Live, which is a network marketing company. And they were charging me hundreds of dollars a month to just learn from their expert traders and, get some signals from them as well. Now, I also, I've gone through multiple people that have given me signals. It always ended up not giving me what was promised. They always just showed all of the wins, and they didn't really talk about the downsides and when it wasn't working. But they're really good at playing that FOMO thing where it's like your fear of missing out. It's like, oh, I just won another one. I just won another one. I just got this many pips today, this many pips. And then you join the course and then you realize it's not working out the same way for you as it is for them. So I, in the beginning, wish that I wouldn't have spent any money on network marketing, Forex training, or signals. So that's something that I think when people are coming into the industry, they should try to stay away from that. I'm not saying be cheap and don't pay for anything, but don't pay for things that you can get for free. You know what I'm saying? The fourth thing that I wish I knew when I got started in Forex was that you really need to spend time on a demo account if you're new to the industry, if you're new to Forex trading, because getting the lots down for different Forex pairs in comparison to indices, and it really changes from broker to broker as well. So you have to be really careful with your lot sizes. And I think the best way to do that is to pick a few different ones and then just focus on those and learn how to trade those on the demo, so that if you actually lose too much money, you're not actually losing any money. So you want to be prepared. It'd be like going into a football game without having practiced all week. It just doesn't make sense. You know, don't practice with your real money unless you just got all this money that you want to blow, because you can very easily, obviously you can make money really quickly in this industry, but you can also lose it just as fast. So definitely like spend some time on a demo account if you're new to the industry, trying out the strategy that you're trying out instead of just jumping into a live account. Now I know it feels like it's almost pointless because, you know, like when I started, I went straight to live because I was like, I want to actually be, if I win a trade, I want to actually feel what it feels like, not be like playing with play money. Like I can play Monopoly anytime. But honestly, that led to me blowing multiple accounts when I first got in, because I would just be like, oh yeah, this looks good. I'll just do, you know, 0.1 lots or 1 lot or whatever. And then all of a sudden, boom, hits my stop loss and there goes my account. So that's another thing. The fifth thing that I learned is that less is more when it comes to trading. Trading is not supposed to be like exciting. You're not supposed to be just like placing trade after trade after trade and you got like 10 or 20 trades going at a time. You need to be like focused on the trade that you're in, okay? Stop playing it like it's like a gambling thing. Stop, you know, like trying to make it like, oh, this is so fun. Trade less, okay? Trade only when it's the perfect setup, because you could make so much money off of 1, 2, 3, 4 trades in a day instead of trying to trade like 40 trades in a day and just trying to get these tiny little moves. And the way you're going to find those big moves is being able to find when there's going to be reversals happening. And we have a product called Reversal in the description, which will help you find these big moves instead of trying to find those, you know, 20, 30 pip moves where you barely make any money off of them and you have to take a bunch of them to ever make any profits. So, okay, that's going to conclude the 5 things that I wish I knew about Forex before I got into the industry, or the 5 things that I wish I knew when I started. Now, I've been in this industry for multiple years now. I actually got started in it about 10 to 12 years ago, but really seriously about 3 years ago. And I've learned a lot of stuff. And I've put it actually all together in a guide called kangarooguide.com. You can become a free member of my site and I'll teach you everything that I need to know, or that you need to know about the industry, and everything that I know, I'm gonna pass on to you guys for free. Okay, now if you're looking for an indicator that's gonna show you big reversals, it's gonna help you catch really big moves, definitely check out the reversals indicator in the link in the description. Tons and tons of people are having success with that right now. It's a new product that me and my friend Todd Harrison came up with, and it's having a lot of success, and it's only getting like more intense and more intense as far as like the features that we're adding to it. So it's only getting better and better, and it's only gotten a lot better. Now I'm gonna have to make a video to show you guys exactly how much we've changed and updated on this app, or on this indicator, and it is working better than it ever has. So make sure to check that out in the link in the description as well. Also look at Sage FX if you need a Forex broker to start trading with today. You can trade indices. It has small contract sizes as well, so you can start with, you know, as little as, you know, $50 or $100 you can start trading with. So definitely check that out as well. And if you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for notifications. Also make sure to leave a comment below, give me your feedback. I'd also appreciate that. If you have any questions, make sure to leave that in the comments section below. And if you could give me a like, that'd be awesome as well. So I will talk to you guys on the next video. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you have a good rest of your day.